Baby, this is beautiful. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tinashe Hair. I am a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel, you can expect to see weekly vlogs, day in the life, get ready with me, wig reviews, a little bit of cleaning, and a whole lot of things. So if you are into any of that, go ahead and hit that fabulous subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. So you already know what's about to come at you. You seen that thumbnail. This video is brought to you by Tinashe Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous unit right here. Okay, baby, she did not come to play. All right, she came right out of the box ready to make a statement. When I tell you this is 100%, 1000% beginner friendly, yes, baby, she is the one to get for your vacation this summer. So let me tell you about this unit. This is an Airy glueless lace wig, deep wave, breathable cap, wear and go, one-step install unit, baby. She is the one to have. All right, she is a great beginner friendly wig. So before we get into the nitty-gritty of the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies, honey. They sent over some bobby pins. They also sent over some Tinashe Hair Meek eyelashes, 2 yellow hair clips, a blue baby hairbrush comb combo, an elastic band to help lay those edges down, wig caps, a red satin button cap, and they also sent over a pink Tinashe Hair bag to store your unit. Feel breeze all day with this unit with a breathable airy cap. This unit also is available in pre-cut lace, 0 skill install, and it has HD lace, baby. This unit will melt seamlessly. It has a stretchy 3D dome cap, and it helps it also be very breathable. No glue, no gel, easy on and easy off. It also has a pre-plucked hairline to help give you that natural looking vibe, and it also has an adjustable band to help you give you that more glueless and secure feel. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This is 100% virgin human hair. The density on this unit is 180%, and it should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. I am wearing this unit in the color natural black, and the hair texture is a deep wave. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. It does fit snug on my head, and the ear tabs comes ear to ear as well. This unit also comes with 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 in the back. This unit has attached straps and an attached adjustable band as well. Wear this unit right out of the box. When I tell you you can wear this unit right out of the box, that is what I am saying. You can wear this right out of the box. Take it out, wet it, and go. If you were a little hesitant about dealing with lace, you don't have to do this with this unit because it comes pre-cut. You don't have to worry about plucking as well because it comes pre-plucked. Like, look at this. Y'all see this? Look at this. Let me get all up in y'all face so y'all can see how gorgeous this is. 100% glueless. Glueless. Absolutely amazing. Y'all can't tell me y'all see no lace. It's coming right out of my scalp, baby. Right out of my scalp. The lace area on this unit is 5 by 6. This will be your go-to for this summer, for your vacation, for any occasion. This is going to be your go-to unit because she is absolutely fabulous. I am also wearing this unit in a 22 inches, and she is giving me life, baby. She's giving me all what I needed to give me. Okay, she's everything. She's all that. All right. And to make this unit even better, it has an Airy breathable cap, so you don't have to worry about your head being super duper hot. You can just plop this on and she is good to go. So if you are interested in seeing just how easy and quick it was to put this unit on, stay tuned. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Yes, honey, yes. We about to get into this goodness, okay? Do y'all see this gorgeousness right here? Do y'all see it? I am so excited, y'all. I am so super duper excited because this hair is gorgeous. And what I love most about this, baby, do y'all see? It is already pre-cut lace, baby. You know how much time that you have saved not cutting the lace? Like, this is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. And the inside got that breathable cap in there because you know it's gonna be hot, okay? The summertime is here. And we got that breathable cap up in there with the adjustable strap. Baby, yes, they thought of everything on this unit. And just in time for vacation, baby. Okay. All right. So let's get into it.
Gotta practice what you preaching, I be living that. Taking trips around the globe.
Okay. This does fit snug, y'all. This fits snug on my head. So let's put these clips down. Wow. Do y'all see? Look at that lace, y'all. Oh my God. Look at that lace. I ain't did nothing. Oh my God. Look. Oh my God. Do y'all see? Honey. Wow. Do y'all see just how amazing? This is how it looks right out of the box, baby. Look. Tinashe. Oh my God. Yo. Tinashe. Y'all is doing it over there. Look at that hairline. Y'all see that hairline? Like, this look like it's coming out of my scalp. Oh my God. It's like, this lace is fire. This is amazing. I'm liking this. Like, I can't get past this lace, y'all. I'm like, where is it? Y'all can tell me y'all don't see no lace, baby. Okay, let me show y'all. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Honey, I can barely see it. I can barely see the lace and I'm wearing it. So let's get into these curls, baby. These curls looking so waviness. Like, don't get seasick, okay? Perfect for beach wear. Okay. So let's get these curls all the way together because they looking a little frizzy over here, a little frizzy over there. So we're gonna wet it down. Let's see how this looks wet. Oh yeah, so now I'm gonna get my dimming brush and we just gonna brush through it. Oh, y'all. Oh, baby. Oh. This is beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do y'all see that? Oh, you see that bounce? Baby, I ain't gonna know how to act around here. I ain't gonna know how to act. Y'all see, look at it. Look. Look at that. Y'all see, look. Baby. I'm around here talking like I'm from New Orleans around here. Y'all see this, baby? Baby. Gotta make sure we get these edges, okay? Oh, honey. This is how she looks wet, baby. Y'all go scoop her up. Stop right now. Stop the video right now. Go in my description box below and go and get this unit. Y'all is not gonna be disappointed with this unit. I'm telling you right now. You still on here? Stop what you're doing. Go get it. Come back and see the rest of this video. Because, baby, this is hot. This is hot. This is fire. This is gorgeousness. This is all that in a bag of chips with some dip, baby. Okay, she is awesome. So next, we are going to do my routine. If y'all are new here, hello. We're gonna go ahead and put my African Pride Moisture Miracle Curl Mousse on. And we're going to, cause this is a lot of hair, okay? We're gonna split this up. And then we are going to do a section at a time. Loose it down. And we're just gonna loose it all the way down to the ends. Okay, make sure y'all can see everything. Y'all see that? Oh my god, that is gorgeous.
Girl eating veggies, doing yoga at the crib. Swimming in the winter, don't get cold where I live. Still the same number, if you got it, you can hit me. Pull up to the park, I'ma match you on a sticky. I ain't tryna be nobody, I ain't gotta be. 100 bands up, shopping at the Dollar Tree. Never been a type that gotta act, gotta lie. I just go and get the bread and bring it back to the tribe. Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.
Oh, yo. Yes, baby. Yes. So next we're going to move on into my Cantu Natural Hair Dry Deny Moisture Seal Gel Oil, baby. Absolutely love this stuff. This is going to make sure that everything stays in place. It's going to lock in those curls, and you don't have to worry about doing your refreshing the curls for a few days, because this is going to lock everything in place. Now, I do get shedding with this unit, but that is to be expected with curly units. You're gonna get some shedding, honey, okay? But it's not like overwhelming amount, like you get like handfuls of hair, but you do get some shedding, so do expect that. But that's to be expected with curly units, is shedding. Next, we want to diffuse these curls, baby. Let's see how it looks dry after we have defined the curls. So let's see how it dries.
Still humble in the hood. Gotta keep it positive on nothing but the good. When I'm on vacation, I be stunting like I should. Got a real queen falling.
All right, y'all. So we are done. The unit is like, it's still damp. It's not fully 100% dry, but it's like 60-70% dry. And this is how she looks, y'all. Y'all see that? Like, these curls are so juicy. They are just popping. Like, they look absolutely amazing. I am very impressed with this unit. Truly a beginner friendly wig for sure. Take it right out of the box and put her on. Well, let me show you the back, baby. Let me show you the back.
They ain't really who they say on the outside. Knee deep in the game and I'm still the same. Why you always hating? That's a shame. Gotta split the profits with the ones that came with you. All the homies share the vision, yeah, we got the same picture. You won't catch me in the club, I like to meditate. I be higher than a bird, I like to levitate.
What else to say about this unit? She is absolutely amazing. She is drop dead gorgeous. And there you have it. I would like to thank Tinashe Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in getting this gorgeousness right here, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!
They tryna hit the yacht, say gold shining lobster near the Everglades music. When we drop, it's like you never made music. Better days never came easy to a quitter. Ain't no pump faking, let them see that I deliver. God body, baby, big 7 in the skin. Probably why you never hear no better again.